And perhaps, I know you have political differences in some parts of Western. You and PK Salasya, do you support what the kind of noise that is making about Mumia's sugar?
I've, myself and Salasya, we don't think from the same wavelength. We think from a different wavelength. Me, I comment on things from a point of knowledge, not from a point of ignorance. I don't just make noise for the sake of making noise. And I believe I am completely different with Peter Salasya. He makes endless noise. Me, I make projected noise to a particular person. I apply soft power. I apply some kind of diplomacy. I murmur to the correct ears. Peter Salasya makes noise at the wrong ears, but because I have access to the President of the Republic of Kenya, I have access to many CSs, many PSs, and that my murmuring about something is taken very seriously by various economic groups within our government that will be able to turn them into kind of a policy. So the difference between myself and Peter Salasya is that Peter Salasya makes noise to the wrong ears. Me, I murmur to the correct ears. But so whatever I say, the government of Kenya will pick it up, turn it into a policy, and implement it. So that's the difference between me and Peter Salasya.
Do you support what he normally does or says about Mumias?
Absolutely, I support it in one sense that he is positioning himself as the defender of the weak. He is positioning himself as an advocate on issues that affect his people, and he is showing his commitment. On that aspect, I support him, and I will urge him to continue.
And says it